April! April! Look at this.
What?
Look at this.
What? No.
Yeah, I did it!
That is amazing.
Yeah! All right, welcome. Today, hey, don't skip ahead in this video. Listen, today you're gonna see me make the largest, shiniest Japanese mirror polish aluminum foil ball that ever existed. I have decided I am willing to do whatever it takes to accomplish this. However long it takes, I'm going to do it. So don't skip ahead, stick with me. I'm gonna take you through the process. I'm gonna start off with this. I don't know what kind of, I am in my garage. I don't know what kind of tools I'm gonna use, but I'm gonna go for it. So wish me luck, stick with me. Let's go through this process. My goal is something around this large, and my wife doesn't think I can do it, but I'm gonna go for it, and I'll prove her wrong, 'cause that's what life's all about, right? Proving your wife wrong? No, I'm just kidding, come on. You love your wife. Okay, here we go. Now, in previous videos, I made an aluminum foil ball this big. Didn't get it shiny, so small, not shiny. I'm going for big, shiny. We can do better than this. And no, the aluminum foil ball craze is not over yet. Getting there. 200 feet. All right, I'm back. I'm gonna continue in the creation of the ball.
What are you doing?
I'm making the world's largest aluminum foil ball. It's gonna work this time. You don't believe? There we have it. Now it's time to make it rock solid and shiny. Almost rock solid. I think that's good for today. We'll check back another day. All right, day 2. I'm gonna keep working on it. I'm not giving up, whatever it takes. Trying to focus on, I'm gonna keep the heat coming in. In the end, I'm gonna be using Brasso for sure. I know this is gonna be able to polish it. I'm gonna use whatever tools it takes. I don't think I was using enough tools last time, so. Made some good progress today, got it much more firm. Should be getting to the shining stages pretty soon, but that's it for today. Day 3. Aluminum foil ball. My wife's starting to get a little bit annoyed that I'm spending so much time in the garage, but I'm not giving up. I'm trying to do it in times that she doesn't notice I'm out here. So that's the progress so far. I'm gonna get some pounding away. She's coming. We gotta go. All right, I got a little bit more time to work on this. Okay, that's it for today. Okay, guys. Okay, I don't even know what day it is or how long I've been working on this. I think I'm getting close though. It's nice and firm. My idea today is I'm gonna take all the elements and just bring it at it, and I think it's gonna give it a nice sheen. I'm gonna bring fire, ice, sand, everything at it. So I'm gonna start with sand. Let's go a little crazy with this. when this gets to optimal temperature, I'm gonna let loose the liquid nitrogen on it. Oh, come on. Where are you? Last thing, I'm gonna sand it a little bit more. So this is gonna be the secret ingredient that's gonna bring it all together, the brasso. I've heard this thing works miracles. So what you're gonna wanna do is just slather it all over, rub it in. We're just gonna go all over with it. Okay. Oh, you're probably gonna wanna wear gloves with this. I actually did it. I'm gonna let this soak for a little while and go wash off my hands. Okay, it's almost done soaking. Just gotta finish rubbing it off. If you can see, this stuff it's working really good. Might need to get a new rag, but I think we're just about there. Holy crap, this stuff is awesome! Okay, I need a new rag. This one's getting dirty. Okay, I gotta show April. She never believes in me and any of my stuff. Look at that thing. That is beautiful. Okay. Let's go show April. All right. Oh my gosh, this thing is so cool. Okay, I gotta show April. April! April! Look at this.
What?
Look at this.
What? No.
Yeah, I did it!
That is amazing.
Yeah! No, you'll get fingerprints on
I
it.
want it.
Wait,
I want
no.
it. I want it.
This is a polished
David!
aluminum foil ball and you doubted me. Don't.
I want to touch it.
No.
I want to touch it. I can see myself in it.
I know, it is so bright. Okay, here.
Oh my gosh. That is heavy. Oh my gosh. How
You
are
doubted
doing
me.
like that? That's heavy.
Smudged it. Look at that. Who's awesome now?
That is really cool, honey. Let's unpeel it.
No, it's perfectly bonded together with shininess. I'm gonna keep it in my garage.
That's amazing.
What do you think?
I believe it's too good to be true.
Linda, look at that.
It's like glass.
All right, guys, there you have it.
Wow.
Polished aluminum foil ball. That thing is pure aluminum foil. It was days and weeks of work, and I really think it paid off. And but tune in for more awesome videos. I got a lot of fun stuff planned, and yeah, make sure if you're not already, thumbs up, subscribe, comment below what you want me to do next on the Davey Train. Thanks for watching.